Fantastic. Well, I'm super excited to have Rahul in the success interview. Like any other success story, his success story is also something really amazing. Now, here is something really special. Within 2 months, he was able to get over 90,000 subscribers for his channel, The Crazy DNA. Not only that, within a span of around 5 months, he was able to get around 2.8 lakh subscribers to his channel, The Zero Marks or the Zero Marks channel. So he has some amazing results to share, and he is from Tamil Nadu. Right now, he is actually a chairman of a school and a college, a very young boy at just 23 years. So let's have in this success interview. So please do make sure you're going to watch till the end, because his success story is something really amazing. I've also given his channel link in the description if you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, so that you can see his channel. And certainly, if you're not attended our masterclass, you can also attend that. With that, we'll get started. Yes, Rahul, welcome to this wonderful success interview what we are going to have right now. How are you?
Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm really fine. And how are you, bro?
Fantastic. I am doing fantastic. Thank you. Good, good, good. So your YouTube journey has been really amazing. So can you please share a little bit about you before what you actually used to do before starting your YouTube journey?
Before YouTube journey, I was actually I'm an engineer. So I think you should be aware that anyone born in Tamil Nadu should become an engineer if he's a boy. So it's a culture in Tamil Nadu. But my parents were a little different. They didn't want me to do engineering and all. They were fine with anything. But I really love engineering. I love computers, programming, all those things. So I was into computers, programming. Then I was into Apple. After Apple, I just got into school, college. Then as I think you already know, bro. So when I became the chairman of our school, I gave a speech. So that speech was uploaded into YouTube, and that's how I got into YouTube. I got into YouTube without a concern that I want to get into YouTube. So in short, this is the story before YouTube.
Great. Who actually inspired you to upload your video to YouTube? And how many views that video has right now? Any guess?
I think it has some 5,000 views or something, bro. It's not really great.
Okay.
So it was just my annual day speech, nothing else.
Okay.
One of my students told it's actually very good. You can try uploading it on YouTube, and I did not know how to upload on YouTube. So earlier in the sense, just 2 years back, I was thinking YouTube is something like Netflix. People hire you, and then they'll give you all those scripts and everything, and they'll direct and stuff. I didn't. And he just told me how to upload it, and he was actually uploading it for me. So that's how it started.
So you thought YouTube was like Netflix. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Good. So before starting YouTube journey, did you have any idea that okay, you can actually earn money from YouTube as well?
No, not at all, bro. So I saw many people, many videos on YouTube, which was like where they used to put in a lot of money, like the channel Veritasium. Do you know the physics channel? Right. I was watching since I love engineering and I took up engineering. I used to watch a lot of physics related videos. Yeah, I was a computer engineer, but still I love physics a lot. So all these Veritasium, Vsauce, all these channels I watch, and I find them spending a lot of money. So I had a clue they're earning, guys earn money like that. I thought it's something else like sponsorships. They sell mugs, right? I thought it's through those ways, or since I thought YouTube is like Netflix, I thought they'll give them, they'll pay them and they'll buy the videos, just like how they buy movies, right? So I thought their shows will be bought. I had no clue that a common man can upload a video and earn money from YouTube.
Good. So you started with our community probably around 1.5 months back, right?
Yeah.
So by then you had also started your YouTube journey. Now, how did this community actually help you to maybe learn more or explore about earning and everything?
No, the worst part is I was into YouTube with like usually people with 100 subscribers on YouTube will be knowing everything about YouTube. My channels were like dead channels with one channel with 90,000, one channel with 2,85,000. So with these channels, it's so much potential, but then it was like I didn't know what to do with it. I thought I'm not valuing what I have, because every subscriber is just not a number. It's a human with heart and with feelings, right? So I thought I'm not using it to the fullest, and that's why I came in. And after the course, like initially I had no time to complete the course, and then I got interested. I started watching the course personally myself. And then only I understood how huge platform this is and how crazy it is actually.
Great. Actually,
So
your
till
voice is
then, my
breaking
channel name
into.
was Rahul S. It was not even the Crazy DNA. After that only, I changed it to the Crazy DNA. In fact,
So good. So within the community and from the course, you started learning. And I'm happy to see that, okay, your channel now, after learning, you have also monetized it, right?
yeah,
You also got the shorts from YouTube.
yeah,
So how is it going right now?
it's going good, bro. Actually, I'm not looking at YouTube as a source of income. Yeah, for many people, it is a huge source of income, and many people should look at it as a source of income. But kind of, I'm not looking at it as a source of income. I just love the way YouTube allows us to share what we create to everyone, what we love and create to everyone. But anyway, I'm happy with what I can earn from it also because nowadays, since I don't have time to make videos, I have hired people to make videos. So what I do is most of the funds which YouTube is giving me, I'm just giving them directly because they are the ones who are actually working on it. So I'm just planning a lot of things. Now you usually have a principle where people generally who are not able to like who are different from us. Recently, I've started a CBSE school in Chennai. I don't know whether you would have heard of the term, heard of that place name, Palaverkadu. It's a place in Chennai. So it's a completely free school. We don't charge student even a single rupee,
Oh, okay,
100% free.
that's nice.
So students will study without paying any money. So I wanted to do these kind of things because one side we should help people who are not able to get on the same track, right? So I'm just planning to use these funds in different sort of ways like this.
And really happy to hear that, bro, because you have been actually helping a lot of people in schools as well. And you have been doing great work where you are giving opportunity for many people to create the content, right? So basically, you
Uh-huh.
give them the ideas on how to create the content.
Yeah, ideas are always most of the times ideas are mine. It's not that I make an idea, I tell them do it. So what usually I do is I have a base skeleton and I just put it on our group. So I just tell people whoever wants to give your suggestions, give. And then when they give suggestions, sometimes idea changes a little bit. Sometimes the idea completely changes. So and then when we all find okay, this is the perfect thing to do, we just go ahead and do it. And sometimes people share their ideas, and if we all find it interesting, we'll just go ahead with it, bro. So it's nothing is professional here.
Okay, great, great, fantastic. But the results speak for it. So that's great. And one thing that I observed with your channel is you really started both of your channels by just creating shorts. Your complete aim, whatever I could see, is probably till last month. In fact, just around 30 days back or something.
Mhm.
Most of your videos were just targeted for 15 minutes, 15 seconds, or 1 minute,
Mhm.
right? So was it a strategy that you applied, or was it like, okay, just we wanted to create only short, fun videos and we wanted to
The
do it?
exact reason was we did not have time. We did not have time to sit and make videos for YouTube. So, but I love making videos. So when we got time, when we got like 2 or 3 minutes time, we just take a camera. Whoever is there, we call them, make a video. That's it. So it was like that.
Okay, so it was random because I have seen a couple of videos and it's very short videos as well. So great. And I'm sure like you all have been just recording videos with your cell phone and you don't use any crazy gadgets at all.
No crazy gadgets, bro. Even for the post production work, right? All the dubbing and all those things, we use cell phone mics only, the normal headphone mics only. We don't have, we have not spent on any special gadgets for YouTube.
That's awesome. So how many guys are actually working with you right now for those channels?
So there's one special person called as Amal who is completely with Crazy DNA. Other than that, whoever is interested, they'll work with us. That's it. So it's not like he'll work with us or she'll work with us. If somebody, there are times where like we find people on street, we just ask them, shall we do it? If they say okay, we'll just do it. So things go like that.
So that's great. So what is that actually that you are looking for your channel? See, I know like, okay, you have been giving opportunity for creators right now. And I also see that now you have been posting videos which are close to 2 minutes or slightly higher than 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So is your plan to monetize and give the funds to all these creators so that they can create more content?
No, no, it's Not exactly for the monetization or fund. We created shorts, but the problem with shorts is since it cannot be, we cannot make a short more than 1 minute. We're not able to deliver good content in it. We're not able to say what we wanted to say really. So if the content exceeds the time limit, we make it as a video. If the content falls inside that limit, we just make it as a short.
Okay. So are you planning to monetize your channel or no?
It's monetized, bro. The Nuthaku Mutta and which is 0 marks, and then this Crazy DNA both are monetized, bro.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. That's
I didn't know how to monetize from the creator blueprint only. I saw and step by step I did.
So actually, like as I said, he started his YouTube journey, and after that he enrolled into our course. So from there he started understanding about monetization and the settings and everything, where he implemented, and from there he started getting the funds as well. So that's great to hear. I know, like, it's been around 1.5 months for you in the community, Digital Achievers Hub. What is it you really love about our community, brother?
It's where the creators who have achieved can share the mistakes they did, and people who are into YouTube now can learn from it, and then they can they can succeed as well. So that's the thing I love the most. And the other thing I love is there are experts in the community, especially the Facebook group. So when a creator struggles with something, they can get help from the expert in that group, right? So that's what I really love about the group.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now, if there is something that you really want to give as a tip or something for all the emerging YouTubers who are really, see, there are many people who are looking to take YouTube as a profession where they want to create content and earn money. And there will be people who are just passionate about and create the content. Now, if there is one thing that you want to say to them, what is that one thing that you want to say so that they can always remember that and focus on building their channel as well?
So now, usually, now what I would say is the most important thing that I would want to say is have a lot of talents. It's not that one person will have only one talent. So if you have like 2 or 3 talents, don't put all those 3 talents into one same channel. Like if you're good at cooking, if you're good at programming, and if you're also good at say climbing a mountain, don't put all 3 into one channel, because people who love climbing mountains will not like cooking. So it just affects your channel. If you really want to showcase all your talents, just create 3 channels and upload each one of your talent in each channel. So that's going to give you a lot more videos through all other social media platforms, like putting it on Facebook groups, sharing it on WhatsApp, sharing it on Telegram. They're just forcing people to watch it. And basically YouTube doesn't work like that. YouTube works based on suggestions and recommendations, as far as I know. So don't waste your time asking others to watch. Instead, spend your time creating a good content. So that's going to help you more. And I'm not so good at creating a good thumbnail, but as far as I've seen a Digital Blueprint, I think creating a thumbnail is the most important thing in YouTube. So I would suggest if you're going to spend half an hour forwarding your lot of groups, lot of WhatsApp chats, instead of doing that, just spend that half an hour in creating a good thumbnail. I think that's going to give you better reach. I did not do it, but I did not forward it to many people either. So I just find forwarding it to people and forcing them to watch as a big mistake that YouTubers are doing right now.
Okay, great. So thank you for sharing that. And again, it's an amazing journey what you have been able to go through. So keep inspiring a lot of people, and certainly do the charity work that you have been doing. Certainly it helps a lot of people as well. And I wish you a lot more success in this wonderful journey. So thank you. And I'm really happy to hear from you. And for people who are watching, certainly I have just given the link of all his 3 channels in the description. Certainly you can just check his channel and see how he has been able to create the content as well. Okay. And if you have not attended a free YouTube masterclass, you can just click on the link below and attend our free masterclass, in which you're going to learn 3 important secrets about YouTube. And also you can learn how you can be part of Digital Achievers Hub, where there are multiple people who are succeeding faster as well. So till then, see you in the next video and take good care. Bye for now.